Hello everyone, I am Neha Dubey and I am here to give you a brief introduction on the two topics which are tally law scheme and COVID-19 lockdown. So introducing my first topic, which is tally law scheme, there is a very famous thing regarding this topic. Justice is a conscience, not a personal conscience but a conscience for the whole of humanity, and those who are able to recognize the conscience of their inner soul, they are only able to recognize the voice of justice also. So what is tally law? It is a program which is started by the government where the people can seek advices from the lawyers, which through the video conferencings which are available at the common service centers, that is CSC, on the telecom portal, and that portal is a technology enabled platform. So, by whom was this initiative launched? This initiative was launched by the Ministry of Law and Justice and the ministry in collaboration with the Ministry of the Electronics and Information Technology. So, why was this initiative launched? This initiative was launched in order to encourage the women empowerment and women in entrepreneurship, which is a very hot topic these days. So regarding these things, this initiative was launched, and the women paralegal volunteers will also be given training, will also be provided training to provide the legal services through the video conferencing, and a large panel of lawyers will also be provided by NALSA, that is National Legal Service Authorities, to provide the legal services to the applicants, and to provide the legal services to the applicants through the legal service centers or the common service centers. And like all the non-governmental organizations, hospitals, clinics, legal service authorities, voluntary service providers, they can also get connected through the common service centers. And the first phase of this telecom initiative will be implemented in 1800 panchayats of Jammu Kashmir, northeastern states of India, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. So what is CSC? Like you were listening me, then you have listened this word, common service center. What is this? So introducing this term to you, common service center is a program which is providing a feature of the multiple transaction in one geographical location, and one can access these resources over the internet at no cost on the digital seva portal. So in brief, or in short, if I say what is telecom, then it is a legal assistant which is provided to the people virtually, or you can say in general way through the video conferencing. Now coming to my second topic, which is COVID-19 lockdown. So giving you a brief introduction on the COVID-19 lockdown. Like on 24th March 2020, the government of India under the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ordered a nationwide lockdown for 21 days, limiting movement of the entire 1.3 billion population of India as a preventive measure against the COVID-19 pandemic in India. It was ordered after a 14th hour voluntary public curfew on 22nd March, followed by enforcement of a series of regulations in the country's COVID-19 affected regions. Lockdown was first placed when the number of the confirmed positive coronavirus cases in India was approximately 500. Observers stated that the lockdown had slowed down the growth rate of the pandemic by 6th April to the rate of doubling every 6 days, and by the 18th of April to a rate of doubling it was increasing day by day, and it was doubling every 8 days. After 1 week it was doubling. So as the end of the first lockdown period approached, state governments and other advisory committees recommended extending the lockdown. The government of Odisha and Punjab extended the state lockdowns to 1st of May. Maharashtra, Karnataka, West Bengal, Telangana followed the same. On 14th of April, Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended the nationwide lockdown until 3rd of May with the conditional relaxations after 20 April for the regions where the spread has been contained or was minimal. I mean to say कि there जहाँ कहीं भी कम केसेस थे वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन दिया गया, इट वॉज माइनर, पर फिर भी लोगों को थोड़ी सी राहत मिली उन वजह से. On 1st May, the government of India extended the nation lockdown further by 2 weeks until 17th of May. The government of India extended it. The government then divided all the districts into 3 zones based on the spread of virus, like green, red and orange, with the relaxation supplied accordingly. On 17th May, the lockdown was further extended till 31st of May by the National Disaster Management Authority, that is NDMA. On 31st May, it was announced that the nationwide lockdown is going to will be further extended till 30th June in the containment zones where there were the huge number of cases. They were called as containment zones. So the government has extended the nationwide lockdown, or that the ongoing lockdown, till 31st June in those zones, with the services resuming in a phased manner starting from the 8th June, and it was termed as unlock first. Thank you.